Hi everyone, here's our math problem for today. If x and y are real numbers and 3 to the x is equal to 5 to the y equals 225, what is the value of 1 over x plus 1 over y? You can pause the video and see if you can solve this math problem. Now let's solve this problem together. Let's begin by writing this as two separate equations. 3 raised to x equals 225 and 5 raised to y equals 225. Then we can get the natural logarithm of both sides. We have ln of 3 raised to x equals ln of 225 at the left, and ln of 5 raised to y equals ln 225 at the right. Now let's recall some properties of logarithm. If we have ln of m raised to k, we can rewrite this as the exponent appended to ln of m. And therefore here, we can write this x at the front of ln to arrive at x ln 3. The same here, the exponent y is now written at the front. So we have y ln of 5 equals ln of 225. Now let's solve the left equation for x to arrive at x equals ln of 225 over ln of 3. Then at the right, we have y equals ln of 225 over ln 5. Then notice that we are looking for 1 over x plus 1 over y. So that means we can get the reciprocal of x, and that is 1 over x, equals the reciprocal of the right side of this equation, which is ln of 3 over ln of 225. And we got also the reciprocal of y to be 1 over y. And we get the reciprocal of the right side of this equation, which is ln of 5 over ln of 225. Notice now that we have the expression for 1 over x and we have the expression for 1 over y. And we can now add these two equations considering that the denominators of the right sides of the equations are equal. So taking these two equations simultaneously, we can add the left side of this equation and this other left side of the equation to get 1 over x plus 1 over y. And we add also their corresponding right members. We have ln of 3 over ln of 225 plus ln of 5 over ln of 225. Now we have a common denominator of ln of 225, so this becomes ln of 3 plus ln of 5 over ln of 225. Then let's simplify this further. Let's recall again another property of logarithm. The logarithm of the product m times n is equal to ln m plus lmn. So the right side here of the numerator resembles the right side of this property. So by the converse of this property, we can write this as product ln of 3 times 5. And of course, we can simplify this as ln of 15, but 225 is equal to 15 squared. Then simplifying, notice again that we have an exponent here. So let's recall the property that we used already. We can now write these two as the coefficient of ln of 15 to arrive at this denominator. And notice now that ln of 15 and ln of 15 are the same. So dividing now ln of 15 divided by ln of 15, the numerator becomes 1, and therefore 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 1/2. And this is now our final answer. Our final answer is 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 1/2. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you again in our next video. Bye for now.